I'll put the music on. Get ready to boogie. Ushtaka man. Hope you can hear it okay. And you shake whatever bit of your body you can shake about and dance about. So just start. Yeah, go for it, Ash. Brilliant. Woo! That's it, Angie. That's it, Dom. Go for it. Scotty, you can do as much as you can in your own way, okay? And Rachel and Stefan. Stefan, you'll be in your element when we do the sounds. Woo! Make a sound. Come on, you can all make sounds. Woo! Woo-hoo! Just have fun. Check it out. That's it. Woo!
Come on, Ray.
You can use your tongue and stick your tongue out. There you go. There you go. Woo, and do it again. Shake your hands. For those who can shake their hands, shake your hands. Shake your wrists. Good. Well done, Angie. Who else is doing it? Yes, go for it, Rachel. And Stefan. And Scotty. Scotty, isn't it? Is it Scotty? Next to you, Laurie? Yes. Okay. So now we're going to slow it down. I'm just going to put something other on. And we're just going to play with the energy a little bit. So this is where you play with the energy ball between your hands. So you can do, whoever can do this, just play with the energy. That's it, Rachel. Brilliant. Play with the energy. And someone else is there. Oh, that's Scotty. So the other person I can see is not Scotty. Gosh, the group is getting bigger. Great. That's it, Ashley. And just play with the energy. And even if just one person does it, it will build up the energy bubble in the group. So some of you, or most of you, will feel very relaxed. Are you feeling more relaxed, Ash? Good. That's lovely, Rachel. Can you feel the energy in my hands? Yeah, there you go. Energy. Imagine that you've got like a beach ball between your hands. There you go. Well done. And play with that space between the palms of your hands. Energy always follows when you're focusing on an area. That's it. And Stefan, I can see that you're doing it too. Brilliant. And Dom, fabulous.
I'm sure that was Tony walking by.
Was it Tony walking by?
Yeah.
Ashley says hello to everybody and to Tony as well.
Hello.
once I've got the microphone.
I just seen her back walking.
Yeah. What can you feel in your head?
Pulling it. Someone pulling a string.
Yeah.
Head
And forward.
forward, like a string puppet. I feel like a string puppet.
Say it again.
I feel like a string puppet when you know that they've got that cross bit of wood
Yeah.
at the top of their heads.
Of the puppet.
Yeah, I feel like a string puppet.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. That's an interesting analogy. Ashley feels like a string puppet when I do this. Okay, so just stop this now. So now you're going to get really involved with your voices. So I'm going to find my ball to sit on. And we're going to focus first on the winter because it's still cold, isn't it? And in some places they've got a lot of snow. You've got your fleece on, exactly. So the winter is reflected in, do you know how the winter is reflected in our bodies? Through our kidneys. And the kidneys, the back, your sort of like middle back in your waist. And you know, the two organs that in the Chinese philosophy, they say connects to the winter time, to water, to the north, and to the color black or blue-black. So when you're going to do the sound, imagine that you're going to just, with the sound, create a bubble of blue-black all around you to protect you and to keep you warm. Kidneys also help with your back. And if you've got backache or anything like that, it helps. So what we'll do the sound 3 times. And then you'll just stay in open attention and you just let your body do movement from your kidneys from inside. So if you find that a bit strange, maybe Laurie can assist you a little bit just by moving. And then we'll move on to the liver later. So the liver is connected to the springtime and we're facing spring soon, okay? So the sound for the kidneys is chew, like in a train, a choo-choo train. So we're going to breathe out first. Breathe out. Now breathe in, like sucking air. And then at the top of your voice, from your lungs, from your kidneys, go chew. I want to hear you guys because you're being recorded. So come on, you've got flow here. Breathe out, breathe in. Choo. I want to hear you. Choo. That's good, Ash. And again, I'll just let you hear Ashley. And again. Yay. Very good, Ashley. That's a good long one. Okay, let's do that one more time. Breathe in. And now I just want you, to stay in open attention just for a few seconds and see if your body wants to move from your back. So I've just got my hand on Ashley's lower back and he's letting the movement come from inside. So if anybody else wants to join and wants to have a little bit of internal movement, then just let it happen. It's not one that you do with your mind. It's one where your body just does as much as it wants. So Ashley, what are you feeling?
I'm feel I feel I'm on a string again.
He's a puppet on a string again. So I'm just facilitating a little bit here. Laurie, you're doing a great job. We need about 5 more lorries there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. You enjoy a bit of a stretch, Dom, coming from your middle and lower back, from your kidneys that you've just been talking with. Good stretch, Angie and Rachel. Excellent. And Dom, yes, look at you. Brilliant. Okay, so now just relax again. And we're going to do the sound for the liver. And your liver is on the right-hand side under your rib cage. So right here, right-hand side here. Yeah. So the liver and right side. So right here. So the liver works together with the gallbladder. With the gallbladder. Sorry, my microphone, I don't know what's going on. And the sound, you know, I forgot to mention, of course, with the kidneys, the emotion that is going on very much is fear. People are afraid, you know, they're afraid of falling ill and this and that. So the opposite, of course, is where you are brave and courageous. But with the liver, the emotion that you feel is anger. You get angry and frustrated. And then the opposite of that is feeling kind and relaxed. So when we work with the liver, it's like working with soothing a little baby. So when you think you go shh to a little baby, you do the same with your liver. So you're going to just breathe in. Think about that little baby, the liver, inside your body, and you're going to go shh. So you're soothing the baby. And how it's connected to nature? It is springtime. It's connected to the season of spring and to the wood element. So there's new things growing in nature at springtime. So the same with our liver. So it's connected to a lovely green color. Yeah. So let's do that again. Breathe in. That's lovely, Angie. And you just nurture your liver. Hi. Cat. Who is it? I can't see.
Becky.
Becky, hi.
Beverly.
Hi.
Beverly.
Oh, Beverly.
Hi, Bob.
Beverly.
Hello, Bob. How are you doing? All right.
I'm okay, Bob. How's your accent, Bob?
All right. See you later. All right.
I miss you,
I'm
Anne.
going now. Bye.
I miss you.
I miss you too, Bob.
See you soon.
I'll see you soon, Bob. All right.
Yeah.
Right. See you later. Bye.
She's from Liverpool.
Birmingham.
Birmingham. Okay. Stop being your accent.
All right, Bob.
Oh, funny.
That's nice.
So that will bring us now to, since we're laughing, it'll bring us to the heart. Yeah. And we're going to do the heart sound. And the heart sound is just like the heart. It's ha. Yeah. So what happens is that, there you go. The heart is connected to summertime. And I think that's one of the things that we all look forward to, isn't it? I'm going to put the mic on Ashley's head now so that he can do the heart sound with you.
Ready, lads? Ready, boys? I'm doing the sound with you.
Okay.
Right.
Breathe in. Brilliant. That was brilliant. And again, and again. And again, say, and again.
And again.
Okay. And breathe in again, and one more time. Well done. That was brilliant. Brilliant. Oh, did I? Sorry. I poked my thing in his ear. So that's for the heart. And the heart is connected to summertime, to love or hatred. So I know what I like better. I like to love. Yeah. And I think everybody else does, to feel love in their heart. If you feel anxious, if you feel a bit anxious, then just think of something that you really love and replace that and trust. Yeah. And of course, the season, it's connected to the summer and to fire and to the color red. Who likes the color red? You do. I thought maybe Rachel liked it. Brilliant. I like red as well. Okay. So from the summertime, which is the heart, and it's also connected to laughter, we're going to go to the spleen and the stomach. So the spleen and stomach, Laurie, is on the left side of the rib cage. So under the rib cage, left side, you've got the stomach and the spleen and the pancreas. Those are all organs which are really important to boost our immune system. So the spleen and the pancreas, the liver, it's all very important that we stay healthy, and that helps to boost the immune system. So for the spleen and stomach, the sound is who, just like in Doctor Who. So I'm going to put the microphone on Ashley's head again, and you're going to start by breathing in, and then
I'm going to do that again, all right? Very good. Let's do that one more time, all right?
breathe in first,
Breathe,
and then,
breathe in first,
and then.
then.
Very good.
Stay in open attention now.
We keep swapping the microphone, that's why it's making a noise. So I just want you to focus now. We worked with the heart and with the spleen, which are both on the same side. So if there is a movement that wants to stretch in your body, or or come from your body, let it come. So it's, instead of making it happen, feel. So for those who can put their hands on their stomach and on their heart, you can do that now, and then just feel if you can feel something moving. So I'm just going to put my hand on Ashley's heart and spleen area and see whether his body wants to move. And he's already sitting forward and leaning over. Oh, look, he's leaning over to the left. So his body is busy doing something just to help it stretch. So it's helping to stretch his back and his neck. And that's spontaneous QiGong. How's it feeling? Is it like a string again?
Yeah.
Ashley says that he feels like a string puppet again, that the strings are pulling on him. When lockdown is over, everyone will be coming over, and I'll help you
Yeah,
as well, so I
Mum will
can
come
help
over.
Laurie. Yeah?
Yeah.
That would be nice to meet up again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well done. And now what we'll do is we're going to go on to the next organ, which are the lungs. So we will have done the kidneys, the liver, the heart, the spleen, and the last ones are the lungs. And the lungs, it's important that we work with them at the moment because it's winter, and you don't want to have colds or anything like that. So let's protect our lungs as well. And the lungs, I think you know where they are. It's just there. It's under the boobies for the girls, and it's in the chest areas. I thought you'd find that funny, Rachel. And for the boys, it's under below your nipples, okay? So in your rib cage. And it's a funny sound, and I think we'll do the S sound like a slippery snake sound. So I just want you to focus on your lungs. So if you can hold your lungs with your hands like Dom is, that's great. And I think Stefan is focusing on his lungs. Are you, Stefan? I can see. Yeah, brilliant. So just even if you focus on your lungs, and because you can't hold them, that's fine. And you're going to just breathe in and then do the S sound. So it's breathing in.
You can put your hands on your lungs.
You could just do it over the top of your sweater. You could do it over the top of your sweater, Angie. There you go. And above your boobies. On your chest. There you go. That's it. Well done. Okay, and just let's go again. Breathe in. So the sound looks like that. I'll come a bit closer so you can see.
I can feel it. I can feel it. I'm tired. Yeah. Not tired.
Yeah, well done. Okay, and now just stay again in open attention. Just think about your lungs and put lots of love in your lungs and smile to them and just say, thank you for staying healthy. There you go. Nice to see you all smiling.
It's getting dark out there.
It can't be getting dark. Ashley says it's getting dark. It's because we've got snow clouds. So that's it. So just stay a little bit longer, nice and quiet. And now you can, if you can hold your belly with your hands, then put your hands on your belly. Hi. Hello. I think it's Win, isn't it? Is it Win?
Winnie.
Winnie. Hi, Winnie. Nice to see you.
And you both look well, which is really good.
Ah,
Oh,
thank
thank
you.
Oh, and you'll be fabulous. I'll join next time.
Yeah, okay. So, what what we want to do now before we finish is we're going to smile, and you're going to smile from, when you smile, you send that smile to every part of your body. Yeah. So let's do that. Let's have a nice smile and say, I'm sending the smile with lots of love. That's it, Ashley. Smile. He's smiling. And you smile to every part of your body, so your heart, your lungs, your liver, your spleen and stomach, and your kidneys. And you just say thank you to all these vital organs for keeping you healthy and alive. And it's busy working there while you're sleeping and getting on with the rest of your day. They're just busy doing work all of the time. Isn't that marvelous?
Yeah, great.
It's amazing because we don't have to think about it, and they're just there busy. So what we've done today is we've encouraged them to stay healthy, and we're helping them to boost their good health as well. Okay. So I hope that you all enjoyed that now.
Yeah.
You enjoy? Yeah. We can
I did.
We can
Well done. Well done. Do you want to say anything to your friend?
Yeah. I hope I'll see you again soon.
Yeah. I miss you, Ashley.
I'll see you again soon, I hope, when lockdown's finished.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Shall we see you next week?
Yes, yes.
Yes, is that
Yes.
okay?
Much
Lovely.
better this week.
Okay. Thank you very much, Laurie.
Thank you, Nadia. Thank you, Ashley.
Thank you. Thank you.